Hello everyone, welcome to SM Fun Learning. Today in this video we are learning about length. You might be wondering, what do you mean by length? Length means how long the object is. Here you can see some children and even a giraffe. What do you think, children? Do they have equal length? Very good. They don't have equal length, right? Now let's begin. Now here you can see a tall giraffe. How tall is this giraffe? You can only find out by measuring the length of giraffe. Similarly, what is the length of this book? How can you figure out? Very good. You can figure out the length of this book by measuring the length. Now how can we measure the length of this giraffe and the book? There are different methods for measuring the different units and methods for measuring the length. Let's begin about some of the non-standard units. When different measurement units or measuring devices are not invented, people use non-standard units for measuring the length. And the first non-standard unit is handspan. People also used to measure the length of the object of the thing or of the things by using handspan. Similarly, this is called footspan. People also measure the length of their objects by using their footspan. Similarly, people also used to measure the length of the object by using cubit. Cubit means the distance between their arm to their hand. People also used to measure the length by using their pace. These are some of the non-standard units. Children, are you ready to measure the length of this book by using your handspan? You can also take any book and you can measure the length by using your handspan. Here I am going to measure this book by using my handspan. Let's begin. Okay, you have to measure length from here to here. Let's begin. 1 handspan, 2 handspan. That means the length of this book is 2 handspans. People used to measure like this before. Now I'm going to measure the length of the storybook by using my handspan. Let's start. 1 and half. That means the length of the storybook is 1.5 handspans. Nowadays people do not use this non-standard units because we have standard units. People have already developed standard units. Let me show you some of the standard units for measuring length. The first one is scale. You have also used scale, right? And here the unit that we will be using in the scale is centimeter. Similarly, have you seen such measuring tape anywhere? Yes, people also use length of the object by using measuring tape. And this one is called land tape. They measure the length of the room by using this land tape. And the unit that we'll be using is meter. These are some of the example of standard units. Now I am going to show you how to use scale for measuring the length of this pencil. While measuring the length of the pencil, you have to place a scale at the tip of the pencil. This 0 should be right at the tip of the pencil. And when you measure the length of the pencil here, you figure out the length of the pencil is 12 centimeter. In this way, you can use scale and measure the length of objects. Now, I'm going to teach you how to draw line segments. Here, I'm going to teach you how to draw 8 centimeter in your notebook. For drawing 8 centimeter, you have to draw a small line like this. After that, just over the line, you have to keep 0 of your scale. And remember, children, you have to keep the centimeter side because you are drawing 8 centimeter over here. Place your 0 right next to this line that you have drawn. Now, put the pencil and draw a line till 8. See, children, one more time I'll be telling you. First, you have to draw a simple small line place a centimeter side scale over there, place 0 just next to that line, and here you are drawing 8 centimeter. Draw a line till 8. See, can you see I have drew line till 8 because I want to draw 8 centimeter. Now remove your scale, draw another small line. Now here you have drew a line having 8 centimeter. Give a name to your line segment. Now I am given A and B. Therefore, the name of my line segment is AB. Therefore, AB equals to 8 centimeter. In this way, you can draw line segment as well. Now I'm going to show you one more line segment. Now I'm going to show you a line segment having 4 centimeter. One more time, you draw one small line, place a scale. Remember, centimeter, you have to place centimeter side. 0 should be next to that line. Now here you are drawing only 4. That means you have to draw line till 4 only, because this is from here to here. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. That means let's draw line till 4. Remove your scale, draw small line and write down 4 centimeter. Let's give name to your line segment M. This time I'm giving MN. That means therefore MN equals to 4 centimeter. In this way you can draw line segment by using your scale. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video and learned something. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe SM Fun Learning for more videos. For today, thank you. Bye bye.